Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. By the end of this video, you will be able to get a list of dates between any given start and end date and also convert any metric on a daily basis. A common use case is imagine a company is running a promotion between two given dates, and at the end of the promotion, you will get a new line in your data set with the end date, a start date, and the sales generated by the promotion. So we're going to do this using the List.Dates function in Power Query. As per the Microsoft documentation, the function requires three arguments. The first one is the start date. The second one is the number of days or the count of days. And the third one is the increment or the step, in this case, 1 day. So let's begin with the sample data set in Power Query. Firstly, I will get a subtraction between the end date and the start date to get the number of days between the two and add 1 to the subtraction to make it inclusive of the end date. Now I will add another column. Let's call it dates and period. Using the list.dates function, the first argument, the start date, the second argument is the count, and the third argument is the duration. I will commit to this formula and I get a preview of the list with all of the days within the start and the end date. Quickly going to rename my steps in the applied editor for documentation purposes. And now I will expand the list into new rows, change the data type. So that's the final output of the list of dates. However, you must have noticed that the sales are now duplicated for each line and are hence inflated. So how do we take care of that? So before expanding the list of dates, I am going to add one more column to convert sales into daily sales. And for this, I am just dividing the sales by the count of dates in the start and end date. So now we have the daily sales, and removing the columns we don't need anymore and loading this back to our data set. I'll quickly show you how we can visualize the sample data as well. So pulling in our Power BI file, just adding a line graph of daily sales for each date. Or more in a visual format, we can see how the sales is broken down daily. For more such content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.